Today I'm going to build an Arduino shield assembly for a JPL up-tilt Rover. But first, let's check for other parts. So, I have one Arduino shield. I have one 2x8 shredded header pins. I have 1x40 0.1 pitch header pins. I have one two position terminal block. And I have 1x6 JST connect header pins. Let's get started. It says, now we assemble the Arduino shield that will sit in the Rover's head and the control face. We'll start with the top of the side of the Arduino board. The final product is shown in figure 17. Begin by taking a two-position terminal block, E18, and soldering it to the top of the board at the J6 connector, such that the screw terminals face outward, as shown in figure 17. So, they want me to take this two-position terminal block, and they want me to place them on these two holes here, with the holes for the wires facing this hole here. Now I'm going to solder it. I finished soldering the two-position side entry terminal blocks to the PC board. Now it says, solder the 1x6 JST connector E14 onto the top of the board at the J5 connector such that the notch and the connectors face outward, as shown in figure 17. So, they want me to take this JST connector, and they want me to place it here on the side, right next to this side entry terminal block here, with the pins here facing the opposite way, facing this way. Now I'm going to solder it. I finished soldering the JST connector to the board. Now, they want me to take a 2x8 shredded header pin, and they want me to take it and put it here with this little notch here facing outward. Now I'm going to solder it. I finished soldering the 2x8 shredded header pins to the PC board. Now it says, solder the 0.1 pitch header pins E15 to the connectors J2x4 on the top side of the board. So they want me to take this pitch header pins, and they want me to cut it down to the length of 2 6s, which is 12 pitch header pins. So I'm going to use this wire clipper to cut it. Now I'm going to put them on these holes here, and then I'm going to solder them. I finished the top of the Arduino shield. Now I'm going to work on the bottom. It says, flip the Arduino board over to the bottom side where you now install the remaining headers. The final product is shown in figure 23. Solder the 0.1 pitch header pins, E15, to the bottom side of the board and the remaining hole sets. So, they want me to take one 6 header pin, and they also want me to take two 8 header pins and one 10 header pin and place them on these holes here. Now I'm going to solder them. I finished soldering all the parts to the Arduino shield. Next, I'm going to mount the Arduino shield to the Arduino Uno. Then, I'm going to attach it to the LED matrix. Thanks for watching. Bye!